to find the limit, if we do direct substitution, we get zero over zero, which is indeterminate form, so we can use L'Hopital's rule. So we're going to use L'Hopital's rule, so that means taking the derivative of the numerator. So the derivative of secant 7x would be 7 secant 7x times tangent 7x. The derivative of cosine is negative sine, so it's going to be positive 5 sine of 5x, and the derivative of 4x is just 4. And then we're going to take the derivative of the denominator. So the derivative of tangent 6x would be 6 secant squared 6x. Okay. So now if we do direct substitution, okay, secant of 0 is 1, tangent of 0 is 0, sine of 0 is 0, and secant of 0 squared is 1. So we end up with 4/6 or 2/3.